Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming network and system readiness. Make sure your MacBook and the Airplay target are on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on for discovery. Once done, open Control Center or go to Apple Menu System Settings displays to reveal the Airplay menu. You're doing this first because discovery depends on network and services. Without that, Airplay won't appear. Now pause briefly and ensure the display section shows an Airplay or screen mirroring option before moving on. Next, click the Airplay or screen mirroring icon and select the device you want to stream to. This step establishes the connection. Once selected, decide between mirroring your built-in display or using the TV as a separate display. Mirroring duplicates content, while separate display gives more screen real estate. If the TV shows a 4-digit code, enter it on your Mac to authenticate. This prevents unauthorized connections. Make sure to adjust volume and choose the audio output in sound settings if sound should play from the TV. Finally, when you're done, stop Airplay by clicking the Airplay icon and choosing Turn Airplay off or disconnect via Control Center. This cleanly returns settings to the Mac. Make sure to tweak resolution and scaling in displays if the image is cropped or laggy. Lowering resolution reduces network strain. If things go wrong, try a quick troubleshooting step. Restart Wi-Fi on both devices and check firewall or security settings that may block Airplay. If that fails, reboot the MacBook and the Airplay device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.